Okay, we're going to write an equation through the point negative 2, 2, and it's parallel to y equals negative 1/3 x. So the slope of our equation is negative 1/3. Parallel lines equal the same slope. It's going to go through the point negative 2, 2, and its y-intercept is what we need to find to write the new equation. So y equals mx plus b. B is what we need to find. So the x and y are going to come through this point that we know. So the y in this case is 2. M times x is negative 1/3 times x of negative 2. So the 1/3 is from this slope, and the x is from negative 2 from the point. And we don't know what b is. So 2 equals negative 1/3 times negative 2 gives me positive 2/3 plus b. I'm going to subtract 2/3. So over here, 2/3 minus 2/3, that goes away. And then 2 minus 2/3 leaves me with 4/3. You can do that in your calculator or your head, either one. So the slope of this line, if I haven't made a math mistake, is 4/3. I'm sorry, not the slope, the y-intercept. We found the slope from the old equation of negative 1/3. So the answer to this equation, or to this question, write an equation, is y equals negative 1/3 x plus 4/3. So that is your answer. And then we're going to go down here to perpendicular. So the second question is going to be perpendicular. The old equation is negative 8/5. Okay, so that's the old equation. Y equals negative 8/5 x minus 3. So perpendicular, the symbol is an upside down capital T. And it has to have two components. It has to have both the opposite reciprocal. So opposite means it changes signs. So if it currently is a negative, it becomes positive, and then it flips. So the reciprocal is the flipping, so it becomes 5/8. So that is our new slope. M equals positive 5/8. Our point that it's going to go through, they gave us in the problem, is negative 5, 5. And we have to find the y-intercept. That's what we're looking for. I'm sorry, it's so bouncy. I'm videoing myself. Y equals mx plus b. So my y in this case is negative 5. My m is the slope we figured out, which is 5/8. And my x is negative 5. So negative 5. 5/8 times negative 5 is negative 25/8. And I'm going to add 25 over 8. So I don't know what that number is off the top of my head. And I honestly don't have a calculator in my desk. So I'm going to pause the video, do the calculator, and then start again.